Aim of the experiment is to verify the law of conservation of mass in a chemical reaction. The chemicals required for this reaction are sodium sulfate, barium chloride solution. The apparatus required is a conical flask, a test tube which is tied with a thread, a rubber cork. This is a rubber cork, and a weighing balance. Now we will take a clean conical flask fitted with a rubber cork and suspend in it a small test tube which is tied with a thread. Now we will weight this flask. As you can see that this has a weight of 9.196 grams. Note this weight. In the next step, we will add the sodium sulfate solution into the conical flask, and in the small test tube we will take the barium chloride solution. So this is a barium chloride solution, and this solution we have to take in the small test tube. Now we will suspend this small test tube with the help of a thread into this conical flask in such a way that both the solutions do not mix with each other. Now we will use the cork and we will weight the contents of the flask. So as you can see the weight. Now we will loosen the cork so that the thread gets loosened. Now we will loosen the cork so that the thread also gets loosened and the solutions present inside the flask get mixed up completely. So we will swirl or shake the flask and again weigh the contents of the flask. So as a result, the weight comes out to be the same. As a result, we can conclude that the mass of reactants is equal to the mass of products and there will be no change in the weight of conical flask. The precautions to be taken while doing this experiment is that the apparatus should be cleaned thoroughly. The flask containing barium chloride and sodium sulfate solution should be corked carefully so that solutions do not get mixed up before the reaction takes place. For the reaction to occur, the thread should be loosened properly and the flask should be swirled or shaked properly so that the solution of test tubes get mixed